I'm dying. Can't find her, someone to.
Hey, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a couple packages that I bought from Supreme last week. By that, you guys should already know what the fuck is up. We got 3 tees last week. I'm kind of low-key mad as fuck that I couldn't get the Rocks tee, but I'm gonna get that shit one way or another. I'm gonna pay resale for it if I got to. I might resell some of these shits for it if I got to. Whatever it is, I'm gonna figure it out, but that shit's gonna come home with me either in the blue colorway or the black one. I'm gonna pick that shit up. But before we get into this video, if you guys do end up enjoying, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and check out any other videos that I have posted. I'm gonna try to link a couple up here or something. A couple unboxings for you guys to go check out. I picked up a lot of dope pieces in the past few months. You guys should definitely check it out. I have a lot of collection videos that are gonna be on the way. Room tour video on the way. Whatever videos you guys want to see, go ahead and leave it down below. Now this video might not be up for a couple days because I'm currently in the process of doing big moves, so I might not be able to post it and edit it, but just hold on tight. This is definitely gonna come this week. This is the last week of Supreme, so there's a lot going on. But subscribe to the channel for more content like this and click post notification bells. That's the most important part. I might do a quick little giveaway. I did send out the winner's gift, and he should be unboxing it real soon. I might make a video on that too. Any other videos you guys want to see, leave it down below, but I feel like I'm yapping. Let's get straight into this video. So bang, right here we got the first package I'm gonna get into. I really hope this isn't the best tee that I got because I want to save that for last, but if it is, hey man. So right here we got a tee. Why did this shit come folded so much? I don't know. This is a big ass bag. Like, for what, bro? There's one tee in here. This shit came folded like this. Bruh, my sticker pack is finito, bruh. Look at this. I took an L with this sticker pack. At least we got the Monalisa in there. We got the Ganesh from what I see. I feel like that's it. We might have got all the stickers, honestly, but I don't know. I'm gonna open these at the end. So we got the Ganesh tee in black. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be reselling this, so that's the only reason I might not open it. But it does say Supreme right there. Under it, it says skateboarding. Shout out to the dude that commented that on that video. This says skateboarding right there, so Supreme skateboarding. I love the font on it. This might be one of the pieces that I do end up keeping. Alright, so I was thinking about it and I wasn't gonna open this piece, but bruh, at this point, let's just open it gently though, because I might reseal this bit. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Bang, and here we got the Ganesh tee. This piece is actually really sick. I got the XL, bang. The colors look really vibrant, really summery to me, so definitely a clean pickup. I actually really like this piece. This is a really clean piece to me. Honestly, a really good pickup. And one of the sleeper pieces from last week, there was a lot of shirts that dropped that went unnoticed. Even the hardware tee was really sick. I like the fact that it had the small box logo on the back, but you couldn't really tell that it did from the initial pictures. That's why I didn't go for it, honestly. I'm like, yo, $40. This shit don't got no mini box logo on it, no Supreme branding. It actually says Supreme on the front. It says Supreme hardware and Supreme box logo on the back. But once again, I'm yapping. Like, what the fuck am I doing? Okay, another package right here. Hopefully this is the second tee that I honestly really want, because that shit is fire. I was debating on selling it, but the shit look clean. Like, if this is a tee that I think it is, I'm debating on selling it, but I don't know. Like, this shit is fire, bro. It's just not better than the Rocks tee. That's why I'm like, eh. But bang, another Supreme bag. These bitches ain't send me no sticker pack, bruh. No. That was a whole move. I ain't even gonna hold you. That's a whole move, bruh. And here we got the Monalisa tee. This is one that I'm definitely considering reselling because I want the Rocks tee, but I feel like this piece is gonna gain value in the next couple years. It's already at like 130. This is the XL, which is honestly a good size when it came to this piece. I feel like the small and the XL are doing better with this one. It's currently sitting at like 130 on StockX, which is not bad. 130, 135 for it. Not bad at all. I'm debating on if I should open this one. I feel like I might resell this one, so I'm gonna think about it. I'll get back to y'all on that. I'm gonna open the last package first because this one is a tee that I honestly do not care about, but I do want the stickers if they do decide to put them in this shit. I'm not even gonna front. When I first saw this piece, I'm like, yo, that shit is ass. And I don't even know why I ended up picking it up. It's probably like when you miss out on the piece you want, you like, yo, I need to pick some other shit up. Bro, I should have just left this shit sitting, because right now it's probably going for like $10 over retail. This is a L. Like, this piece is a major L. I'm honestly hoping I get the stickers in here more than the shirt. Like, I did pick up the best colorway in my opinion, so hopefully it does rise in value, which I doubt. Hey, I got another sticker pack, so bang, we got the other sticker pack right in here. I really hope I did get the other sticker. I only see the Ganesh and I see the Monalisa stickers, but I don't see the other one, so it kind of sucks. And here we got the Gonz tee. It actually looks better in person. I really do like the color on it. It's like a faded gray. They called it warm gray. I got it in the XL size again. I feel like this is pretty cool. I don't know, it's nothing much to it. It has Supreme going all across the front. You can see the colors right there. It's like a bluish, yellowish, green, and then like a red outline. Not bad, but definitely could have been better. I feel like if it would have had at least like a Gonz head on the back, that would have finished it off for me. But I feel like I'm just nitpicking at this point. Holy shit, I just moved the backdrop. I feel like I'm just nitpicking at this point. This piece is pretty cool. Just kind of wish that they would have did a little bit better on it. I feel like they're running out of designs when it comes to the whole Gonz thing, because they do drop a lot of Gonz shit. Like, I feel like every season has something from Gonz lately. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but I feel like they should lay off for a little bit, get some better ideas, and figure some shit out. Because, bruh, this is a lazy shirt. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a lazy ass shirt. It still does say Supreme. Oh my god, my camera's dying, bro. It's been a minute since my camera's dying. I think I'm gonna slide a little something in here. Like, it's gonna be a little pop-up in the video, maybe Waldo, maybe SpongeBob. But if you guys do find that, you guys get a shout out on the next video. I feel like I'm gonna start that on this video. That would be a cool way to give you guys shout outs. Pretty cool piece, could have been better. I definitely got the best colorway in my opinion. I love gray shirts, so this one is gonna fit me pretty good. I'm gonna just keep this one. Fuck it, I'm not gonna make $10 on it. Let me open these stickers up. If you guys want to see a sticker collection as well, let me know. I do not have that many stickers because I did sell a lot of them before, but I have a couple of them from last season, a couple from this season. But here we go with the Monalisa sticker, which is bent de focal. We got the Ganesh sticker right here, which is also bent de focal. And we got the regular BOGO right here, bent de focal. But we got these 3 stickers. And here we got the same 3 stickers, but not bent up. Same thing. Again, I don't think we got the other sticker. Nope, that's a L low key, but hey, it is what it is. I did pick up those 3 pieces and I'm trying to rush so my camera doesn't die. I'm gonna open the Monalisa tee real quick. Bruh, I'm not gonna open the Monalisa tee. I can't open this shit, bro. I want the Rocks tee. Like, that's the one I want for myself. But this is a dope piece. And I basically got this one because I know, bro, I know this shit is gonna go up in value. That's a fact. And I'm sorry I didn't open this. This is one of the pieces that I can't see myself opening it, because then it loses value as soon as I unfold this shit. Like, Monalisa on the front, it's like a crumbled art in a way. It does have Supreme blasted all across the side of it. Really sick. This piece is actually fire, and if I do decide to unbox it, I'll do a review on it. Fuck it. Like, if I decide to unbox it, I owe you guys a review for it. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, because I have a lot of lit shit on the way. I have an accessory collection on the way, sneaker collections on the way, Supreme tees. We got Supreme collection on the way. I'm gonna do a what I picked up from Supreme Spring Summer 18 video, all that. So make sure you stay tuned. Click post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post. And with all that out the way, all that being said, I'll catch y'all motherfuckers on the next one. Peace out, stay up, and I'm out.
I'm dying. Can't find her someone